Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jinx here, back at it again with another Blender tutorial. I got a couple comments on my other two videos requesting how to install the Cats plugin. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. First step is knowing which version of Blender you have and how it works. So I'll be showing you guys on three different versions. The version I use, I think 2.9, and then the newest one, which is, or 2.8 and then 2.9, which is the newest one. So this is 2.82. This is 2.9, which is the newest. I'll have links for all of them in the description, whichever one you use. 2.79b, which is the one I've done all of my other tutorials for. So if you have this version or any of the newer ones, I'll show you guys how to do that. First of all, what you guys are going to do is go to the link in the description to bring you to this page, the Cats plugin. Cats Blender plugin. It's going to say about becoming a Patreon. This is only if you want to support them. You do not have to pay for this plugin. It's absolutely free. But if you do feel like supporting them, you can join the Patreon. Anyway, go ahead and continue down. You can find their website here. The installation, you just click this Cats Blender plugin right here. Go ahead and click on this. And it'll go ahead and download the zip file. Do not open the zip file. Just drag this zip file onto your desktop or click this arrow show in folder and go ahead and drag this onto your desktop or save it somewhere where you can remember. Next step is downloading Blender. If you don't have Blender, I'll have all of this versions that I'm going to show you guys how to do it on in the description. If you want the newest version, just go to blender.org, click on the download section, and here's the newest version, 2.91, which is also featured in this video. As of 11/27/2020. This is when this video is being recorded. So if you guys are watching this a year from now, it might be outdated and you might have to get a new version. So, but it works pretty much the same on any version, and I'm sure it will throughout the next several years. Anyway, so we're going to start on the oldest version first, which is here. This is the version that I use every single day, and as you guys can see, I already have it. So once you guys are in here, you guys are going to want to go to File and go to User Preferences. This is for the oldest version that I have. And then you guys are going to want to click on the add-ons. Install add-on from File, right down here. This is the part where you guys are going to want to locate where you saved it. So for me, it's going to be on my desktop. And as you guys can see, it says Cats plugin masters.zip, install from add-on file. And then it's going to appear in here. You guys might not see all of these ones. Don't worry about all these. Just look for the one that says Cats plugin and make sure you guys click this little box, the check mark box. It might be laggy. It might take a minute. Just give it some time and then it should appear. And then to actually use the plugin on this version, you'll see right here on the left side, tools, create, all the stuff. It says you're going to have the MMD tab now as well as the Cats tab, which you guys can make bigger, and you'll have all of that. Alright, so now for the newer versions. This is 2.8, I believe. 2.8, not the newest. The last one will be the newest of the Blenders. So for this one, you'd go to Edit, Preferences, the add-ons tab right here on the left side. Click add-ons, install, locate it again, Cats Blender plugin master.zip, install add-on. And here's what you guys should see. Go ahead and click this little box. It's going to be a little bit laggy because it's installing. Just give it some time. Once it's installed, you guys can close this and you check mark the box. You should see a little arrow on the side here that you can click to pop this bar out, and then you should see item, tool, view, MMD, MISC, and the Cats, just like the other software. Okay, and we're back for the newest version of Blender. Okay, the last one was the newest version of Blender. This one is 2.82, so the last one was the newest one. This is 2.82a. Again, I'll have all the links to the descriptions. They all work pretty much the same. The new version of Blender's layout's just a little bit different. So again, for this version, you go Edit, Preferences, again Add-ons, right on the left side here, Install, Desktop, or wherever you saved your Cats Blender plugin. Click on it, Install from Add-on. Find where it is. It's probably already installed on this version. Cats. Yep. Okay, so here it is. 3D View Cats Blender plugin. Check mark it. For you, there won't be anything here, but it should just be the Cats one. Click the check mark. Once it's done, this is a little tab I was talking about earlier. There's a little tiny arrow right here. Go ahead and just click that, and then it'll pop out right here. Cats MMD right there. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to slap a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm really trying to help you guys out. And I'm getting back into streaming. Also, if you guys are interested in any gaming content, feel free to go ahead and check out my other videos. I do some live streams with some friends and just play some games for fun. So yeah, make sure you guys go check those out if you're interested. If not, please just drop a like, drop a comment if you guys need any help, or if you guys ran into some issues, and I'll be sure to answer them in either another video, or if it's a simple reply, I'll just reply to the comment. I try to read all of the comments and make videos to help all of you, but there's been huge feedback on that last video. I think we're at like 5,000 views, which is absolutely insane. I appreciate you guys liking that video so much, and I'd be glad to continue this, making tutorials for you guys. Just please let me know what's the hardest stuff, and I'll try to get all of it in. I'll make another long video with all of your guys' issues, trying to explain how to fix them. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.